Today's video is from my friends over at Syncwire. They sent me their USB-C to Lightning cable to unbox and show you guys here at Amazon. So we're gonna get on the overhead rig and take a look at everything that comes inside the Syncwire USB-C to Lightning cable. And I'll even put it right next to one of the official Apple ones so you can see this is just as good. Let's get on the overhead rig. Alright, this is the Syncwire USB-C to Lightning cable. 2 meters, 6.5 feet. iPhone, iPad, iPod. Nothing really around the box besides Syncwire on the bottom. And then the back just has everything it's compatible with. So let's take a look at their USB-C cable. Oh, nice. Little user's guide. Nothing else in the box. Shouldn't really need a user's guide. Look at this though. It even came with a little Syncwire strap there. Take these off. Designed by Syncwire, made in China. So very nice feel. They even wrapped the port here in some extra plastic. Get that off. Did they do the they did. So they didn't do like Apple and only do half. Apple doesn't wrap the C-type side, just the lightning port side. So this is the cable, 6.5 feet, USB-C. We do have a little Syncwire logo here, and then on this side, the Syncwire S. I have my trackpad from Apple, and this thing goes right in, no problems at all. So this in my right hand is one of the Apple braided iPhone cables, and in my left hand is the Syncwire one. I mean, they are identical. They look very nice quality. They both have the plastic covering over them to make them very nice. The cables feel to be strong and not cheap. From what I can tell, this Syncwire cable is just as good as the actual Apple one. And then this says Syncwire, so if we have some extra cable, we can tie it up neatly. But I think that's it for the Syncwire USB-C to Lightning cable.